Hello my friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is Essay on Lord Ram in 350 words. So friends, without any further delay, let's get started. Lord Ram. Introduction. Lord Ram is one of the most revered and beloved god in Hindu mythology. He is also known as Maryada Purushottam. He is considered to be the seventh incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He is considered to be the embodiment of virtue, morality, and righteousness, birthplace and parents. According to the legend, Lord Rama was born in Ayodhya to King Dashrath and Queen Kausalya. He was the eldest of four brothers. He was known for his virtuous behavior from an early age. Marriage. Lord Rama married Sita, the daughter of King Janak. Both Ram and Sita lived a life of love and devotion. Exile. Lord Rama's life was full of hardship. His stepmother Kaikeyi wanted her own son to become the king. So she exiled Lord Rama from Ayodhya for 14 years by King Dashrath. Lord Rama followed his father's order and went to the forest with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana. War and victory over Ravana. During the exile, Sita was abducted by the demon king Ravana, who took her to his kingdom in Lanka. Lord Rama fought a great war against Ravana with the help of Lakshmana, Sugriv, Hanuman, and an army of monkeys and rescued Sita from Ravana captivity. Ayodhya return. After 14 years of exile and victory in the war, Rama returned to Ayodhya with Lakshmana and Sita. The return of Ram, Lakshmana and Sita to Ayodhya created a wave of happiness among the entire people. That day, ghee lamps were lit all over the city. Lord Rama was converted on his return to Ayodhya. Ram Navami and Diwali. The birth anniversary of Lord Rama is celebrated as Ram Navami across India. Diwali is celebrated with great pomp in India because on this day, Lord Rama, Sita and Lakshmana returned to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Even today, lamps are lit all over India on Diwali. Conclusion. The life of Lord Rama is an epitome of righteousness and devotion. Lord Rama is a beloved figure in Hindu mythology who is known for his virtue, morality, and righteousness. He is worshipped by millions of Hindus around the world. His teaching continues to inspire people to lead a virtuous life. Ramayana is also written on the life of Lord Rama. Thanks for watching. Best of luck.